Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how do I prepare a famous Chinese dim sum called turnip cake or lo bak gou. I've divided the ingredients into three groups. The first groups are the dry ingredients. We have the dry scallop, dry shrimps, the dry Chinese mushroom, and the Chinese sausage. The second group has only one ingredient, the turnips. Peel, shred, and julienne the turnip. The third group is the ingredients for the flour mix. We have the rice flour, we have the wheat starch, and then salt, sugar, put some water, pepper, sesame, and make it into a batter. You can get the quantity of each ingredient and a full recipe at tasteasianfood.com turnip cake. Let's take a look how to prepare it step by step. The first group, the dry ingredients. Put the Chinese sausage into hot water until the skin starts to puff up. Remove it from water, and you'll find that the casing can be removed easily after soaking. Cut the sausage into small cubes. Chop the dry shrimps. Cut the mushroom into small dice. And shred the dry scallop finely. Next, we have the turnips. Cut and peel off the skin. Shred half of the turnips and cut the other half into julienne. We have the rice flour and the wheat starch, seasoned with salt and sugar. Add some ground white pepper, some sesame oil, and make it into a batter by using the water that we soaked the mushroom earlier. And it looks like a cornstarch slurry. Look at the consistency. Now let's prepare the dry seafood and the sausage. First, we add the chopped Chinese sausage into the wok or the pan. And let it fry for a while and let the oil render. Much like you fry your bacon in the morning for your breakfast. Once it turns aromatic, add the dry shrimps and a dry scallop. Combination of it in one bowl. Then add the mushroom. You may want to add some additional oil if it's required. I have reserved some mushroom water just now, and we can add that into the turnips and cook together. You don't need a lot of water because the turnip itself is quite moist. Stir it from time to time to avoid it from sticking to the bottom. The turnip is ready when it starts to turn off-white and become translucent, and the water is nearly fully evaporated. That's when we can add back those seafood and the sausage that we have pan fried just now back to the turnips and combine. Turn off the heat and let it cool down for a while. Combine with the flour batter that we have prepared earlier on. Get a container suitable for steaming and apply some oil. Transfer the ingredients to the container. Level it. Cover with aluminum foil. Prepare the steamer. Let it steam over medium heat for about 50 minutes. 50 minutes has gone, and it's time for me to check if my turnip cake is fully cooked. So I turn off the heat, remove the aluminum foil, and poke a skewer into it and remove it. So if it comes out clean like this, which means that it is fully cooked, remove from the steamer and let it cool down for a while. And then keep in the refrigerator and let it firm up. After a few hours, I remove it from my refrigerator and loosen the side. Cut it into half and carefully remove it from the container. Cut to the size that you want. It is always tastes better if you pan fried it. Pan fry the turnip cakes until both sides are slightly brown. Arrange the turnip cakes on the plate, sprinkle some scallions on top, and it's ready to serve. I hope this video clearly shows how to prepare the turnip cakes. If you would like to get a recipe, please follow the link below the video, tasteasianfood.com, turnip cakes. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.